Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're starting something exciting, learning Python from scratch. If you've never written a single line of code before, don't worry. This series is made for absolute beginners, and together we're going to build our knowledge step by step. By the end, you'll be able to write real programs, solve problems, and even create small projects. Now, I've already opened Visual Studio Code, which is the editor I'll be using in this session. If you don't have Versus Code, that's totally fine. You can use any editor, even Notepad++, Sublime Text, or online Python editors. The most important thing is that we save our file with the extension py. So let's create a new file right now and save it as day1.py. That tells the computer, hey, this file contains Python code. I already have Python installed on my system, so I'll skip the installation today. But if you don't have it yet, don't worry. I've uploaded a separate video with step-by-step instructions, and I'll add that link in the description. Once you have Python ready, you'll be able to follow along with me exactly. Alright, let's start coding. We'll begin with the simplest thing you can do in Python, printing text on the screen. In many languages like C or PHP, you have to use semicolons or complicated syntax, but in Python, it's as easy as plain English. Just type print, hello everyone. That's it. No semicolon at the end, no special characters. Python is designed to be simple, and that's why beginners love it. When you run this, it will just display hello everyone on the screen. Now, let's make it more fun and interactive by asking the user for input. In Python, we can do this with the input function. For example, let's ask the user for their name. Name equals input, enter your name. This line will show the message, enter your name, and wait for the user to type something. Whatever they type gets stored in the variable called name. Think of a variable as a little box where we keep information safe to use later. Let's try one more. This time, we'll ask for their favorite color. Color equals input, enter your favorite color. Now we have two pieces of information stored, their name and their favorite color. But why stop there? You can experiment and ask for anything, maybe their favorite food, favorite place, or even their hobby. For example, hobby equals input. What's your favorite hobby? See how easy that is. Just one line and your program becomes interactive. Finally, let's display all this information back to the user. We'll use print, again, but this time we'll combine text with variables. For example, print, my name is, name, my favorite color is, color, and I love, hobby. So if I typed Alice, green, and painting, the program would say, my name is Alice, my favorite color is green, and I love painting. Pretty cool, right? Now, to run this program in Versus Code, simply save the file, open the terminal, type python day1.py, and press enter. Your program will start, ask you for input, and then print a nice personalized message back. So today, in our very first session, we learned how to print text using print, take input from the user using input, store values in variables, and display those values in a fun and interactive way. These are small steps, but trust me, they are the foundation of Python. Even big applications rely on these simple ideas. Try playing around with it, ask for someone's age, their favorite movie, or even their dream destination, and then print it out in a sentence. That's how you start learning, by experimenting. That's all for today's class. See you in our next session. Until then, keep practicing, write your own little Python programs, and most importantly, have fun coding. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.